Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix, my Phoenix family. Today I'm going to be telling you guys about Amputee Essentials and things that all amputees can benefit for or need. This is a silicone liner used for prosthetics. It was first used when I first had my amputation and I was using a knee scooter, and we made a hard cast to go over this liner, and then I would use that with the liner to ride on my knee scooter. Now, unfortunately, this liner was too much compression for my leg and it ended up hurting really, really bad. But I know that most amputees use silicone liners like this one. And so most amputees need a place to dry their liner after they wash it all out every day, because let me tell you, it gets stinky and smelly and sweaty and disgusting. So you need a place to put it while you dry it out after you wash it out every time you use it. So I use this little paper towel holder to dry my liner, just like that. Ta-da! This is a Bluetooth sleep mask and it has headphones on the inside. The headphones are really nice for listening to music and meditations while you're trying to fall asleep. I know that a lot of amputees have trouble sleeping, and so this is a great investment for any amputee who wants to sleep better. It's really relaxing to have it on and just listen to music. You put it on just like this, and it blocks out all the light so you can't see any light, and then you are able to peacefully fall asleep. All amputees can benefit from having a refillable water bottle like this one. This is one that I got at Walmart, and it wasn't too expensive. I think it was about $20. Most good water bottles are about $20, but this is a nice metal one that keeps your water cold all day. And I really like this one because it has a pop top as well. And all amputees can use a water bottle because hydration is super important for amputees. In fact, the more that you hydrate, the less phantom pain you have throughout the day. So hydrate up. All amputees can benefit from having pill cases like these. These pill cases are clear, and I like that they're clear because then I can see when I've taken my medications and when I haven't. This keeps me organized and keeps me taking all of my medications on a consistent basis. Taking your medications on a consistent basis is really important for amputees because it helps the medication work better when you take it on a consistent basis every single day. An amputee essential that could be something just fun to buy for an amputee as a gift is a bird feeder. I really enjoy my bird feeder because it lets me identify birds and see the birds out my window while I'm recovering. In the springtime, I like to see the birds out on the bird feeder, and I love to go outside when it's nice and warm, but in the wintertime especially, the bird feeder keeps me company and all of the birds keep me company throughout the day. Signing up through the Amputee Coalition is a great way to make friends and also find a mentor who's also an amputee and understands the things that you're going through. Signing up with the Amputee Coalition also entitles you to get these free magazines that have fantastic tips for amputees in them, like how to find the right prosthetic maker or how to travel as an amputee, to name a couple. Speaking of mentor, if you see me as a good mentor for amputees, and if you're learning a lot from me, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe down below by hitting the subscribe button. I'd also really appreciate it if when you hit the subscribe button, you also hit your notification bell to all notifications. That means that you'll never miss a video from One-Footed Phoenix and you'll always stay in the loop. Another amputee essential is having zippers in your pants so that not only can you get them on and off easily, but you can get your leg on and off easily. Getting your legs or leg off and on easily is a big deal for amputees. You can see here, I have a zipper in the inside seam of my pants, and this zipper in the inside seam of my pants is not super noticeable and it's out of the way, but it also lets me unzip the pant leg to get my leg on and off when I need to. You can do this yourself, or you can also buy amputee pants from a website that I'll put in the description down below if you're interested in buying your own. They are a bit more expensive to buy rather than to put in the zippers yourself, but if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description. Coloring and activity books are a great essential for amputees. as you have a lot of downtime and you need a lot of time to recover from being up on your prosthetic leg. And if you're like me, you may just need something to do during those times that you need to rest your leg, but your mind still needs to be active. Speaking of these coloring books and activity books, our activity book is going to be released very soon, and it's going to have all sorts of activities aimed to help you manage stress and manage your pain. Something that most amputees can use is one of these. This is a shoe horn. It lets you put your shoes off and on much easier onto a prosthetic foot, especially where the ankle doesn't bend on a prosthetic foot. Another essential for amputees is a spiky ball like this one. This one I got off of Amazon, and it helps get the knots out of my fleshy foot when I have had too much pressure on the arch of my fleshy foot. It also can help you get the knots out of the calf, or the muscle right behind here. You just roll it along there and it can help you get all those knots out very nicely. The last thing that most amputees need is good music. And good music can get you up and going, and it can get you motivated to start your day. I listen to a playlist on Spotify called Rise, Phoenix, and Fly. If you would like to listen to my playlist, I'll link it in the description down below so you can give it a try. Thank you so much for coming and watching this video. I really appreciate that you've made it to the end of this video and that you've watched it all the way through. It really shows me as the creator that you have appreciation for the time it takes to create this content. If you would like to see another video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you, bye!